Hi friends, we're going to do some more fun math today, and our target today says I can use my fingers to subtract. Last time we were using objects to help us, but now we're going to use our fingers. So get them warmed up and let's try our first one together. It says 6 take away 4. So we're going to use our fingers to help us start with 6 and then take away 4. This is the same as thinking about our equation. 6, we're not going to add 4, we're taking them away. So we can't use our plus sign, we need to use minus. So we say 6 minus 4 equals, let's solve it together. So we first need to start with 6 fingers. Here we go. Get your 6 out. 5 and 1 more makes 6. And then take away 4. Minus 4. Here we go. Let's take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 3. Take away 4. And we're left with 2 fingers. 2 is our answer. And that goes right here. We can say 6 take away 4 makes 2, or 6 minus 4 equals 2. All right, let's try one more, and this time I have a different strategy for you, but we're still using our fingers. So this says 10 take away 3. 10 is kind of a big number. Instead of putting it on my fingers, I'm going to put it into my mind. So I'm going to grab that 10 and take 3 away. Let's try it. And down here on our equation, we can do our minus sign. Remember, we're not adding, not the plus sign. We're not adding 3, we're taking 3 away. 10 minus means take away. 10 minus 3. Let's grab our 10, and then we're going to count down because we know subtract is taking away and getting less. So instead of counting up, we're going to count down 3 numbers. So here we go. Starting with 10, we say 10, put it into our mind, and then we think, what comes before 10? Before 10 is 9, 8, 7. We took 3 away and we just got 7. So our 7 goes right here. We can say 10 take away 3 makes 7, or 10 minus 3 equals 7. All right, friends, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.